Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will once again show you a AI assistant uh, inside VS Code, which is called as Cody. Cody is new in the market. This is actually their official website, sourcegraph.com. It is developed by this company, and it is similar to OpenAI, ChatGPT, but specifically it is for coding for developers, and do have a paid plan as well. But the nice thing about this AI assistant is that you can try it for free, so for a limited number of times. So this is a free plan here, and here you can put unlimited autocomplete, but there is a limitation that only 200 chat messages will be there. But they do have a pro plan which is $9 per month. So now to get started right here, there is this extension which is you need to go to the extensions tab. Just search for this extension which is Cody, Cody, and if you search it inside this extensions tab, this is actually the extension. Sourcegraph is made by this. Simply install this. After installing it, you will get this notification Cody right here. You need to click it, and now to get started, you can either sign in with GitHub, GitLab, or Google. I will simply sign in with my Google account. So in order to get started in VS Code, you do need to create an account. I will simply say continue with Google, and inside your Google account, simply click on continue, grant permission. So after you do this, you need to authorize Cody inside VS Code. So I will simply click the authorize button, and then you can open your VS Code. So it is actually downloading the Cody AI in the background, and now you will actually see these three options: edit code, document code, explain code. So you can see you can perform all these options, and you can actually edit a code, existing code, or you can select any code and simply select this. If you want to understand any project, you can select this option. So let me first of all show you the edit code. So it can be run on a particular file or selection to modify the code. So if you select this option, you do need to please open a file before running this command. So let's suppose if I have a file, uh, we have this file right here. So we click on edit, but so what it has a pre-made models inside Cody AI assistant. So you need to select which model that you want to select. So I will simply select this model, which is the latest model, Claude 3.5. It also have these models, Gemini by Google, Claude by this one. So the latest model 3.5, you will need to select that, and you can even select full file or nearest code block or selection. So you need to select basically whatever thing. You can even select the full file as well. So cursor position you will select, or you can document code, explain code as well. So basically what it does, it actually read this file, which is, we have a simple function, add function, which takes two arguments a and b. It returns, basically you will see a plus b. So basically you can see it generated this response to us. This code creates a simple addition function that adds two numbers together. That breaks down the code, defines a function name add that takes two inputs parameters called a and b. So you can see it has generated this short little description and summary about the code, what the code is doing, and also it has added these nice little comments. You can see that the parameter, it takes two parameters a b, which is both numbers, and it returns the addition of these two input numbers. So you can actually uh, just use this Cody AI assistant on individual files, and it will actually add these comments, and it will show you actually what the thing is doing. And you can even basically, let's suppose I want to write a simple function in Python. So I will simply say Python program to merge CSV file, to merge two CSV files. So I will ask this question, and you will actually see it will return me this Python program which will ID merged two CSV files together. It gives you multiple programs, and based upon which program that you want to use, the second program uses the CSV module, and this uses this pandas module. So it gives you multiple answers. Based upon which answer you want to use, you can use it, and you can basically copy this answer. Simply click the copy to clipboard, and then you can make your program, paste it. You will see that in this easy way, guys, you can use this Cody AI assistant. Really easy. You can even basically select this code. Let's suppose if you want to select this code, there are some keyboard shortcuts that you can say. Alt K to edit this code, and Alt L to basically ask some questions based upon this. Alt L, this is the shortcut, and basically you will select this. The code will be selected, and based upon this code you will see the line number will be highlighted, which is 3 to 13. And let's suppose using this code you want to ask some question. So what I will do, I will say please change this function to merge three CSV files. So change the arguments to receive three CSV files, and merge it. So what it will do, it will change this function to receive three arguments instead of two. And now you see it has modified this function to receive three arguments and this output path. So you will actually see, you can copy the code. Let me paste this modified code. So you will see what this does. It has created another function. You will see it has created this. This time it is taking three arguments instead of two. You will see this function has taken two arguments, but now we modified this code using Cody AI assistant. Now it is taking three arguments to actually merge it. So in this easy way, these are some shortcuts that you can use. Just select the code. Alt K is to edit this code. You can select these options, pre-made options. If you want to document this code, so Cody AI assistant, it will add these comments in Python basically. So in this way, if you want to accept or reject, you can reject it like this. This is a shortcut, Alt K, and then you can enter edit instructions. Let's suppose I want to change this code to merge JSON files. So now it is Cody AI assistant will change this code. Instead of merging CSV files, it will merge JSON file. So if you want to accept it, now you'll see your code has been changed. Instead of CSV, we are merging JSON file. You can see the power of Cody AI assistant, guys. It is saving you a lot of time. And free version, I already told you, it only supports, this is a restriction right here, 200 chat messages. So you do need to upgrade to a pro plan if you want to use it for unlimited number of chat messages. And so the pricing is very simple, guys, $9. So I think it is not overpricing at all. It's good, but also use it for free as well if you only want the autocomplete. So autocomplete as well, if you write the code, let's suppose you are writing the code. So autocomplete is free, totally free. So you define a function and you can see automatically as you write the code, auto completions will come. You can see you can press the tab keyboard to accept the autocomplete. So you can see now if you want to call this, so as I'm writing this, the autocomplete is coming. So for autocomplete, the money is not required. Autocomplete is totally free. But if you do want to interact with the code, if you want to select this code, and this is a shortcut Alt L, and then you can select this and say change this function to, if you don't want to do this, this is a, you can even press the Alt K keyword to basically here you can just edit in a short format, change this function, just make a complete calculator with the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So now Cody is working right here, so it will add these four functions: subtract, multiply, divide, calculator, and it will call these four functions. You can accept this, you will now see. So in a matter of seconds, guys, you can generate a lot of code, quality software using this Cody AI assistant. So thank you very much for watching this video. I showed you in this video how to get started with Cody AI assistant. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button and do check out my website, guys, freemediatools.com. So here, this is my website which contains thousands of free tools regarding audio, video and image. So I add these tools daily on this website. To do check out this website as well. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.